Something's not right. Something's not right. Something's not right.
That way. Downwind.
Can you do it blindfolded with me in front of you?
No, not really. Had about 6 feet behind him and just jumped.
Come on, William.
Wings level.
Come on, William. Lower. Lower. Now, lower. Drop it now. Oh, not now.
Oh, now it's going to take another 20 minutes.
Ooh, yeah, really. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna sit down for this video.
That little decathlon thing you got would probably do better than that.
Nope.
Why don't you bring a micro cub out and try it?
Because the micro cub, the engine is messed up. It would not fly this wind at all. It would be flying backwards. The pitch would probably do it. It's at home.
Lower. Back it up a little bit.
Come on.
There you go.
There you go. You got it. Oh!
So close.
Take off from there, man.
Right,
Come on, take off from there. Come on, go. Up elevator. There you go. Dude.
We don't need no stinking.
You don't need no to go out there and hand launch this thing, man. This thing's awesome. Yeah.
We approach from cap.
Airport. When they're talking and go, you need to give it up. No down, no left, no right. No.
Dun, 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 dun. Boy, it is kind of windy, huh?
I still love that crank call when that freaking Korean Airlines fucking crashed over in Los Angeles. And then the fucking guy gets on there acting like you got a foot there. Like you know, don't lose that. You too low. 3 more feet. Okay. Lower. He's just going with it. Lower. Back it up a little bit. Back it up.
Whoa. Oh. Come on. Oh! Go take it from there, man. Where are you going?
Oh, I think I'm done.
Oh, come on, man. We don't need no stinking batteries.
I know.